one interconnected ocean, a vast blue expanse critical to life on Earth. And there's no better animal to represent the story of the ocean with all its splendor and uncertainty than the killer whale, or as it's scientifically known, the Orcinus orca. The orca lives in every corner of the ocean, from the Arctic to the Atlantic, the Southern to the Indian, to the mighty Pacific and beyond. This whale's story is the ocean's story, and it is one we all share.
Welcome to SeaWorld's Orca Encounter, and I am so honored to introduce you to this intriguing and majestic animal. Understanding of the magnificent creature and all that they represent.
While they are found in every ocean, orcas living off the coast of Iceland are quite different than those near Costa Rica. In fact, there are at least 10 types or ecotypes of killer whales. An ecotype describes the differences between killer whale size, physical form, prey, social structure, and habitat. As you can see, the differences are subtle, but noticeable when compared side by side. Orcas are adapted perfectly to their environments. And even the whale's black and white coloration has a purpose. It camouflages the outline of their bodies in the water, making it easier for them to surprise and catch their prey.
Look at her jump up! Whoa, look how big she is, baby.
Where's her eyes?
Her eyes are at the front of the white spot. You can kind of see them, they're tiny.
When viewed from above, the black of the whale blends in with the dark depths of the ocean.
Oh, you can see it. Yeah, when it's jumping out. I can barely see it.
When viewed from below, the orca's white bellies match the brighter surface of the water, blending with the light above, giving them the perfect camouflage.
Oh, look at them laying on their bellies. Laying on their bellies. Oh, and they jump over. You go down to your mom?
Killer whales truly are a natural wonder, and today Orchid and Connie here to help you some of their physical characteristics.